Are you ready for a cheesy revolution? Get ready to discover the ultimate grilled cheese game changer with a twist. Forget about the plain old grilled cheese. We're taking it to a whole new level. It starts with 2 slices of thick, crusty bread. Now let's get creative. Instead of using regular butter, we'll use garlic herb butter. Just spread it generously on both sides of the bread. Next comes the cheese. We're not settling for just one kind. We'll mix things up with a blend of sharp cheddar, gooey mozzarella, and a sprinkle of Parmesan. But here comes the twist. We're not stopping there. It's time to unleash the secret ingredient, avocado. That's right, we're adding slices of creamy avocado right into the sandwich. Now it's time to grill it up. Place the sandwich on a hot pan and cook it until the cheese is melty and the bread is golden brown. Flip it over. As the sandwich sizzles and melts, the flavors meld together to create a cheesy symphony with a hint of garlic and the creamy goodness of avocado. Finally, it's time to take a big bite. The crispy bread, the gooey cheese, the creamy avocado. It's a taste explosion. So, are you ready to join the cheesy revolution? Try this ultimate grilled cheese sandwich with a twist and take your taste buds to the next level. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious food hacks.